how to turn on pages, human age notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pages, human age notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner. Go down, click settings, and then click here notifications, and go down until you find this one, pages, human age. Click on it and select any page you want, like this one, and you will find allow notification. Just turn it on. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.